Hi guys, this is YXYTBKat. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you're having a great day. We are here with a brand new completion from Pandahall and I'm so excited to show you this and I'm so happy that I did this. Hang on you guys, let me grab it. Look how pretty this came out. I finished this embroidered pendant today. I embroidered it yesterday and then I finished putting it together today. So I am super happy with how it came out. I've already got it in here. And the chain is really long, but I didn't want to cut the chain because this is a gift from my mom. Her birthday is coming up and I want her to choose how long she wants the chain to be before I cut it. So anyway, isn't that pretty? I should take it out and show you, right? It's so hard to get it back in here. So let me just take it out. These cards are great. I got these cards on Amazon and they're for displaying jewelry. But look how beautiful that is out of the bag. Yeah, I'm glad I took it out. So anyway, this is my first time embroidering since I was a little girl. And it was a simple project, but even so, I punctured my finger twice and I started bleeding, so I had to take a rest. In fact, I was doing a whip in progress and I had to stop because I was bleeding. So I did some of this with you guys and then I finished it on my own. I'm really, really happy with how it turned out. It is just beautiful, I think. I think I'm going to make one for myself. And I was going to make one for my cousin and my aunt, but you know what I thought? I have an aunt, my Auntie Erna's going to be 98 in March, God willing, and I thought this would be really nice for her. She used to embroider, and it's nice and big so she could still see it. Here's my thumb, just for an idea of how big it is. So she'd definitely be able to see this, and I think she would love this. So, and I would just make the chain, I think I would change the chain so that I'm using one of those magnetic clasps for her, but I do have some magnetic clasps at home. But anyway, this is going to be from my mother, and the chain is really long, so I just put it in a baggie. This is actually part of the baggie it came in, just so it's not flopping all over in the bag when I'm gifting it to my mom. So it came with everything you need to make this. The kit was really complete, and I have a lot left over. So you can see the kit came with the embroidery thread. It came with 2 needles. I broke one. It came with the hoop. It came with the chain and the pendant. It came with the glue, and it came with some really good instructions. And the instructions are in Chinese and English, and there's pictures for each step. I had no trouble following the instructions for this. Like, they even gave you the little hoop. I've seen embroidery kits before that don't have the hoops. And plus, I have 3 more of these kits. So let me just put this down for a second while I go to the book. And I've got the book right here. But what I think I'll do is I'll zoom you in while I read. How about that? So let's zoom in on this so you have something to look at while I read this. All right, so like I said, this is from Pandahall. It was part of a PR package. Thank you so much, Pandahall. I am so enjoying everything that you sent. They sent me 4 kits exactly like this, and on their website it's $11.29 for all 4 kits with everything included. I started these on January 22nd of 2024, and I finished them the next day, which is today as I'm recording this, but you won't see this till probably next week. So January 23rd I finished these, and my mom's birthday is on January 30th, so this is going to be part of her gift. So pros, and okay, I just want to quickly show you. The whole book is pros except for the con, and the only con is I poked my finger twice. Yeah, I don't think you can see the poke anymore. It was just a little tiny poke. Anyway, that was my own fault for being a klutz. So pros, looks gorgeous when completed, easy to embroider, really easy to embroider, clear instructions with lots of pics, includes everything you need except for a jump ring, or I don't know, like the clasps to attach the piece onto it, and I think that's because you need to cut the chain to size. It will fit, like the end piece does fit on this, But I had a hard time, and I think an older person would have a hard time. Like, it is connected right now, so you don't need it. But I will be adding a jump ring at the end for my mom after I cut the chain to her size, so that she'll have an easier time clasping it. I think it makes a really lovely gift. Very quick to stitch. And it includes everything: the glue, the chain, the hoop, the instructions, the pendant, the needles, the cloth, everything you need. So, you guys, I'm really happy with how this turned out. What do you guys think? And the chain is really, really long, and it does come with that, like, lobster clasp. And I do have it clasped, and it does fit, but I'm a klutz, and it's hard. Okay, so some of the cons that were not a con for the kit, but were just a con if you've never embroidered before, I had a very hard time separating the embroidery thread. The first time I tried it, I knotted it all up, and it took me a long time. And then I found my own way of doing it, and I was doing great with it. And then I Googled it, and I watched a YouTube video, and a lady showed me how she did it, and I tried it her way, and I knotted it all up again. So now I'm just going back to doing it my way. And the other con for me that has nothing to do with the set is just me and my eyes. My eyesight's not great, even with my glasses. I had a very hard time threading the needle. I actually broke one needle because I have the wrong kind of threader. My threaders that I bought online, they look like they have little teeny tiny embroidery hooks. Not embroidery hooks, crochet hooks that you push through and pull, and I had a hard time. So I just ordered a bunch of the regular threaders that have the little tiny loopy wires. So I'm hoping those will work. I have one that was just too big to work, the one that I have. So it was more like a needle. But anyway, yeah, I think that none of that is a con with the kit. That was just a con. If you're like me and you haven't embroidered in a long time, or if you're not good with sewing, for me, that was the hard part. And I'm 59 years old. My eyesight's not great. I probably need to get my prescription changed on my glasses. So anyway, I think my mom is going to really like this. And I think my Auntie Erna will really love this even more, because my Auntie Erna used to embroider. And she's very much into arts and crafts. My mom is not into arts and crafts at all. Like, she likes the things I make for her, but she's never really been that interested in handmade things. So, and if you could see, it's raised. It was so easy to do. The instructions were so clear. And I learned all of these stitches and that rose stitch. And they call these French beans. We call them French knots. And some straight stitches. And some satin stitches. So it's not going to be perfect because I'm not sure really what I'm doing. I'm just learning. But I love this so much, you guys. I'm definitely going to make one for myself. Anyway, that's it. I don't have anything more to say about this. Let me know in the comments what you think. And also let me know if you embroider. And is there like an easy way of separating the threads so you don't knot them up? Let me know. I would really be interested because I have 3 more of these to make, and I am going to make them all. All right, guys. Let's zoom out at least a little bit. How big is my hand now? Not bad. All right, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Please give me a thumbs up. Hit that like button. Hit the subscribe. Hit the notification bell. And all of those good things that help me as a channel. And when you hit like or you leave a comment, it really helps my algorithm. I don't really understand what an algorithm is, to tell you the truth. But that's what I heard. Just from watching other YouTube videos. I know every time I watch a video, I do comment. Unless I'm like crafting, and then sometimes I'll just hit like, but I would say 95% of the time I do comment on videos. All right, so I've been having a lot of fun trying to catch up and watch all of your videos. And the whole time that I was doing this, I was thinking of my friend, my online friend Rana. She has a YouTube channel called Scrapping Grandma 1. So scrapping like scrapbooking, Scrapping Grandma 1. I'll put it right here. And she does a lot of cross stitch. So if you're interested in learning how to do like needleworky things, she's got a really nice channel. And she's very, very sweet. Anyway, I don't know what I'm doing. So I'm not here. Like, I can't give you tutorials on how to do this because I'm learning right now. But yeah, Scrapping Grandma, she does a lot of cross stitch. She's done some embroidery in the past. She has a really nice channel, so go check her out. And Pandahall, if you're watching, thank you so much. You're going to be making my mom and my aunt and myself and probably one of my cousins very happy when they get one of these. All right, guys, take care, stay safe, and happy crafting. Bye, guys.